Hello guys, today we are going to be doing the Rubik's Cube video of part 2. The part 2 video of the Rubik's Cube video. This is because I hit 30 subscribers. And it has been 3 months since that video. I have like 27 subscribers. So let's start immediately. We're going to start with Spain. Like Spain. First I have to get ready. Okay, that we got ready. Now we just have to maybe just zoom out a little less. Okay, we completed that part. We forgot a part. Yeah, we forgot a part. No worries. Maybe yes, worries. This is just okay. I'm going super fast. I just don't want to make this video too long. I'm just doing this in front of my map. There. My voice kind of changed, right? Okay, we are literally done this part. Now we have to do this part. Yeah, we're done. That's Spain done. What else we're gonna do? Next, we're going to do America. There's just a few steps. Okay, I understand it. And that turned. I have to get prepared first. Got that part ready. What's that part ready? Maybe America isn't that good of a choice for this video. This is going to be super long. Okay, we're not doing America for right now. I'm going to do countries. We're going to do Vietnam. That's a good country. Start with and get that ready. Okay. I kind of started already. Okay, we got that part done by accident, but oh yeah, we got that part. Yeah, got those parts. We have Vietnam now. Let's do Russia this time. I can't believe I forgot Russia in last episode. I have to get that ready first. Well, wait, you guys, while I'm doing this, please like and subscribe. I really, I'll be really happy if I hit 50 subscribers by the end of this year. But I don't think I'm going to do it if you guys don't subscribe. Okay. I made a mistake. I might be picking the countries. Spain, Vietnam, and Russia. No, I'm not going to do Russia. I'm going to do Japan, third country. I tried to stop in a lot of these ones. I have to get ready first. Why do I keep messing up? Why do I keep messing up? Let's have to get rid of that to get that down. Oh yeah, now we have a good one. Yeah, now, oh wait. Oh yeah, now. Now we have, I don't think we can do that many flags today, but I think we can at least do 4. Yeah, I think we can do 4. Yeah, Japan. Just can't stand this whole time. So much harder when I'm here. Okay, Japan. Done. Bangladesh. I don't know how many flags I did for this video, but I do it randomly. There might be a. If you didn't check out the part 1, then please do, because it's kind of much funner than this one. Well, I mean, I've done that. Okay, we're doing Palau. I know it's kind of random, but I'm doing Palau. I don't know if I did this in the last episode. I don't know. I just feel tired. I have to find something to do. I don't know. I might make a mistake. Oh yeah, now we done Palau. What should we do next? We've not done other ones in last episode. Should we do Myanmar? I don't think that's really a good thing, good answer, and I don't think I could do it, but try. I have to get that ready, which is actually the hardest part. Okay, finally, in one flag that's a bit more complicated, a little complicated, we got this thing. Okay, wait, what am I doing? Oh yeah, this is supposed to be red, right? Oh yeah, Now we have to make this red, this yellow, and this yellow. We have to make this red. The flags out of Rubik's Cube series could be going on for like until every flag in almost every flag in the world that doesn't have black, like literally black. I accidentally finished that part. Oh yeah, now we're done Myanmar. This video has been more than 10 minutes. I think we should do at least one last flag. It's kind of weird, but I did do Austria in last episode. Well, what was I thinking of? Oh yeah, Argentina. Got it. I have to get that ready. Yeah, ready, steady. Why did I say it like that? That was so horrifyingly weird. Oops, I didn't show what I did. Okay, yeah. I forgot that I did that part again. Why is this happening? Just find where I'm going. Oh yeah, I did it. It's Argentina done. Next. You know which country I'm doing next? Maybe, let's think. Is Colombia a good one? I don't know. Well, I'm going to try. Colombia is going to be our last one though, or else that would be super long. This video would be super long if Colombia is not my last one. Okay, we're pretty much done it because from setting it up. I'm gonna get this red first. There, that's red. Oh, this yellow. This thing yellow. Is that going to make any sense? Oh yeah, that's orange. That's yellow. Okay, that is the last one. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Also, if you do it, if you're not subscribed. That was pretty cool. I don't know how much flags I did. Just tell me, please let me know in the comments. And goodbye. Goodbye, guys.